Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are discussing and implementing the button navigation bar in Flutter. Basically in Flutter we'll implement the button navigation bar when we have the more than multiple tabs and we need to click through a single page. Okay, let's explore with us. A button navigation bar in Flutter is a metal widget that displays at the bottom of an app for selecting among a small number of the views, typically between 3 or 5. It's used to provide easy navigation and quick access to other pages or functionalities within the app, enhancing the user experience by allowing the user to switch views with a single tab. Well, this is the position where we are going to place the button navigation bar, and this is our final output with the beautiful view with the tabs. I just cleaned the unwanted code here, and we can say this is the fresh project, right? Today we are here to implement the Flutter button navigation bar, right? So we can see here in the code configuration, just like we have the app bar, then body, then one more thing also provides by the Flutter. The next thing is bottom navigation bar. So this bottom navigation bars is gets a few arguments. The first thing is bottom items, right? The items, it is getting the items. The second argument we can see here is the current index. The third argument is selected item color. The fourth argument is on tab. These four are very necessary parameter. Then it returns the index to us, right? These four are the very necessary parameter for this tutorial. Okay, so we go through this step by step. First the item, then what item we should have here. Okay, before that we declare the current index. The current index should be declared here, and current index is as 0. The first thing, we already have the current index, then we pass this current. Why I put here underscore? This means this is the private variables. Okay, then we can make it as a final as well. It's recommend us to make it as a final for the current index, right? But we can let it changes, then we'll change it as well. And the next thing is selected item color. Then we are as a colors dot black. Then I'll give the opacity just the 400. Okay, because it is, why this is not working? Selected item color dot black. Okay, it's okay. That with opacity 0.4. okay, it's okay. It's showing the error, right? The next thing we should have here the items, right? The items should be, bottom navigation bar item. Icons should be here. We'll do later. Icons dot home first. Okay, it should be like this. I put as a const. Okay, first thing we have this icon, then I give the some more parameter. I can have the label, then it should be the home. Okay, second thing we did here, then we'll replicate these three of them. Then the second thing is search, third one is profile, account person. Okay, here you can see we get three of these tabs, and the first one is, second one is search, third one is profile. Okay, we have here these types of three tabs, right? Then when you click any of them, we logically treat it as here as a, it should be change with the color, right? Then we should have one method on item selected, then it should get the index, and then we'll pass this method on item selected. Okay, it should have the written, right? Then set state, we should call current index is equal to index. See, previously we make it as final, so you can change this one, then it should like this one. Okay, then when you select the any of the view, yeah, it's changing, right? Then we can make it the another color. I think it's a green color, so you can see easily. It's very mine is okay. Okay, see, when you click any of them, it should be changing, right? Then we also want the view should be the change. In the body, we have here only the three views, right? So I gonna make it the change, it's the view as well, right? The next thing I have to do here is I'm going to static a list of widgets, right? Widgets, then I make it as a widgets options. Okay, these are the widget option. Then I'll make it as a one constant list. Inside the list, first one is text, and then it should be home, view is working, second one is second and third one search, and the last one profile. Okay, it's again no worries. We should change it. Okay, but just we fix it, the recommendation in the body. Though we have the options dot element add and the selected index, current index, right? See, we can make it as a this all at the center as well. We can make it as a center, right? Then we can view it easily. See, we have here, suppose we change it here, search and the profile, these all are working, right? Then we can use our own view as well here, right? Then we can play with the parameter. See, we can see here too many parameters, right? Just like we can set the elevation as well. Elevation, suppose I set here 5, then we can see the reflection here, right? The elevation of this button navigation bar, right? Then we have selected item color, unselected item color, icon size, fixed color, the type, shifting or not shifting. See, you can see here, I see the type, right? What is the type of this button navigation bar type? Name. You can see here Just you can copy this one, this fixed. If we set the fixed one, then it's it, nothing will happen. Just like the shifting. So if we set here the shifting, see, it's working. But the fixed color should be it is white, then the color is not visible properly. So we can make it as a unselected item color state black properly. If we set the black, then we can see here, suppose I click any of the item, then it's shift automatically. It's really nice animation, right? Then we can play with other as well. Suppose we have the select item theme, unselect item themes, styles, then this cursor, then enable feedback, then there are too many options then we can use here. Okay, the next thing is nothing to see, everything is doing fine. All right, thank you so much for this tutorial, then we'll meet in the next tutorial. Okay, I'm planning to get a new tutorial for the tab bar, just like we have the button navigation bar, just like the tabs, right? I'll get the one tab tutorial as well. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, share this video, and like this video. Okay, thank you so much guys.